Today, we're diving into a heated issue that feels like a new Cold War brewing in Africa, this time between Zimbabwe and Zambia. Recently, the political climate between Zimbabwe and Zambia has been tense, to say the least. President Emerson Mnangagwa of Zimbabwe met with Russian President Vladimir Putin and expressed some serious concerns. He claimed that the US is heavily funding Zambia's security sector, which he believes is a strategic move to isolate Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe and Zambia are neighbors in the Southern African Development Community, or SADC, a region that strives for cooperation and peace. Any rift between these nations could destabilize not just their bilateral relations, but potentially the entire region. Mnangagwa's remarks didn't just stop at funding issues. He went further, suggesting that the West has shifted its support from Zimbabwe to Zambia, consolidating their influence through substantial security and financial assistance. This statement alone could strain relations, making an already complex geopolitical situation even more volatile. What's at stake here is more than just national pride or regional dominance. It's about maintaining balance and ensuring that these countries don't turn into battlegrounds for larger global powers, like the US and Russia, each pulling the strings from behind the scenes. The future of Zimbabwe-Zambia relations will heavily depend on how they navigate this murky water of international alliances and regional politics. Will they allow external influences to dictate their paths? Or will they find a way to resolve their differences and strengthen their ties? Only time will tell. Thanks for tuning in. This topic isn't just about the politics. It's about the people whose lives are impacted by these decisions. Stay informed and keep watching for more insights into the dynamics that shape our world. See you next time.